Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Remote video editing services refer to the process of editing and post-production work on video projects that are conducted online or through virtual collaboration platforms. Instead of having an in-house team, individuals or businesses can outsource their video editing needs to specialized companies or freelance editors. The process typically starts with clients uploading their raw video footage, audio files, and any additional content to a secure online platform. The remote video editing team, which may consist of professional editors, colorists, sound engineers, and graphic designers, then works on the project according to the client's instructions and preferences. These services offer several advantages, including accessibility and convenience, as clients can access their projects from anywhere with an internet connection. Collaboration tools such as video conferencing, cloud storage, and communication platforms facilitate seamless interactions between clients and editors. Remote video editing services also provide flexibility in scaling the team according to the project's needs, allowing for efficient turnaround times and cost effectiveness. With the rise of remote work and advanced technologies, these services have become increasingly popular, enabling a diverse range of clients, from content creators to businesses, to achieve high-quality video productions without the need for a physical editing studio. Making money from remote video editing involves leveraging your video editing skills and expertise to attract clients and provide valuable services. Here are some steps to get started. Build a strong portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your best video editing work. Include a diverse range of projects to demonstrate your versatility and skills. If you don't have many samples, consider offering your services to friends or creating personal projects to showcase your abilities. Identify your niche, determine your target market and specialize in a specific niche or industry. Focusing on a particular area, such as wedding videos, corporate promotions, or YouTube content, can help you become an expert in that field and attract relevant clients. Set competitive rates. Research the market rates for video editing services and set your prices competitively. When starting, you might want to offer lower rates to build your client base and gradually increase your fees as you gain more experience and recognition. Create an online presence, build a professional website, or create profiles on freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, where clients often search for remote video editors. Optimize your profiles with relevant keywords and engaging descriptions. Network and collaborate. Attend industry events, online forums, and social media groups to network with potential clients and other professionals in the field. Collaborate with content creators or videographers to expand your network and gain exposure. Provide excellent customer service, deliver high-quality work on time, and be responsive to client feedback. Satisfied clients are more likely to recommend you to others and become repeat customers. Offer additional services. Consider offering related services such as motion graphics, color grading, or audio editing to upsell and provide more value to your clients. Market yourself. Use social media, content marketing, and email newsletters to showcase your expertise, share video editing tips, and attract potential clients. Establish yourself as an authority in the field. Request testimonials and reviews. Positive testimonials and reviews from satisfied clients can significantly boost your credibility and attract new business. Continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest video editing trends, software, and techniques. Continuous improvement will help you maintain a competitive edge in the industry. By following these steps and consistently delivering high-quality work, you can establish a successful remote video editing business and generate income from your passion for video editing. And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.